Akiaria mari mukawa-ini umwe mwena wa Narok hindi ya mucamanio wa kuneana mugunda wa haria kiganda giki gigwakwo, gavana wa Narok Samuel Ole Tunai nioritie thirikari nene mwene kandarathi ya waki wa kiganda giki manyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti iyo niguo kugiriria ndungamano o ciothe cingiyumiria na kurugamia waki uyu.
The Narok County government, the contractor, of course the consultants, the national government and all the stakeholders. We want to ask you that you work closely with the county government, because this is a project of the county government.
Oho nioritie ene kandarathi ino kuhe aikari a county ino mawira makiria kuona ati gicunji kinene kia mbeu njithi county ino gitire mawira.
And we don't expect you to get somebody outside now to come and supply, for example, some of the materials which we require. We have a lot of hardware in Narok town. We have a lot of materials also which you might need, and therefore we have you who can supply those materials. You have some businessmen who can do that.
Thutha wa mucamani uyu anyiti itemi hari waki uyu wa kiganda mathie nginyagia mugunda-ini haria kiganda giki gigwakwo, kuria gavana uyu augite ati thirikari yake ni hariirie na gutigirira waki uyu ukwambiriria hatari kuria mariguo.
We are here to assure the Rift Valley Water and all other stakeholders that the county government will continue to ensure that we play our role effectively to ensure that you are able to achieve what you want. This is why we are here in this ground today.
Oroho, chairman wa bodi ya mai county nino niorite aikari kunyitanira na guteithiriria aki a kiganda giki na njira o yothe mangihota.
The construction of the sewage is real. We now have a contractor on site. They will be visiting your streets, your homes. So don't you welcome them, because they are there for good reason to do the construction of the sewage system.
Mwena-ini wake, Commissioner wa Narok George Natembea nioritie aki a kiganda giki kwaga gute mahinda na kwambiriria waki uyu ororio. Kiganda giki gigwakwo mugunda-ini wa eka 52 na gikuhuthira ciringi bilioni 1 na milioni 700 handu-ini ha Inooro TV. Njitagwo Winnie Kimani.